Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are checking out the Shark IZ362H cordless vacuum cleaner in red. This is a lightweight portable stick vacuum with HEPA filtration and removable handheld for versatile cleaning. It includes Crevice, Upholstery, and dusting brushes. If you want cordless convenience for pet hair and everyday messes, this one delivers. Let me break down the specs. It has a cordless design with 40-minute runtime per charge. The HEPA filter traps allergens inside. It converts to a handheld vacuum for above-floor cleaning. Included tools are Crevice tool, Upholstery tool, and dusting brush. PowerFins technology digs deep into carpets to pick up embedded debris. Anti-allergen complete seal works with HEPA to trap 99.9% of dust and allergens. The XL dust cup means less frequent emptying. Weight is under 10 pounds for easy carrying. Rechargeable battery with LED indicators. The 40-minute runtime covers most cleaning sessions on a single charge. The removable handheld is perfect for stairs, furniture, and car interiors. PowerFins brush roll actively removes pet hair without tangles. HEPA filtration with sealed system keeps allergens trapped so they aren't released back into your air. Great for households with allergies or pets. The XL dust cup empties easily with one touch. Included tools store on board for quick access. Lightweight design makes cleaning overhead easy. The red color stands out and looks great. If you want a versatile cordless vacuum with HEPA and pet hair power, the Shark IZ362H delivers. Link in description. Thanks for watching.